Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step tutorial on adding a tag in ActiveCampaign automation. Getting started is straightforward, and if you want to follow along, check out the link in the description below. It will take you to a free trial sign-up or help you log into your account quickly. First, make sure you're logged into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're in, head over to the Automations section. Click on Automations from the left-hand menu. Here you'll see a list of all your existing automations or the option to create a new one. To add a tag, you'll either select an existing automation to edit or create a new automation by clicking on Create an Automation. If you're creating a new automation, follow the prompts to set it up. For now, let's focus on editing an existing automation. Click on the automation you want to work with. Now you're in the Automation Builder. This is where all the magic happens. To add a tag, you'll need to add an action to your automation. Click on the plus icon to add a new action. In the Action menu, scroll down and select Add a Tag. This action will allow you to tag your contacts based on their behavior or the steps they've completed in your automation. Once you've selected Add a Tag, you'll be prompted to choose the tag you want to add. If you haven't created the tag yet, you can do so right here by typing the name of the new tag. Click Add to create it. After choosing or creating your tag, click Save to apply the changes. Make sure to review the rest of your automation to ensure everything flows as intended. That's it. You've successfully added a tag to your ActiveCampaign automation. And I'm also offering a free email list building course in the description below where you can learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more ActiveCampaign tips and tutorials.